give you one of those, then you can give us a ring.
Oh, brilliant. They are.
Oh, thank you.
We're only just up at the top of the hill, so we're pretty close anyway.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. We've only got spike stacks, isn't it? True.
Yep, clear. Unless you're talking about the tsunami. Then it's not clear.
Oh, I'll tell you what, they flooded on this corner around here.
Oh, yeah, well. Why are we doing that? Oh.
We came out to look at the shops this afternoon.
Yeah. And recovery.
Good luck. You can have a swim round the shops if you want, I think.
This can't carry on much longer. This is
I wouldn't have thought so.
Yeah, I don't think the big shot.
Was the skylight all the way open on the van, or was it like diagonal?
Diagonal.
It shouldn't have come in as much.
This is coming the way it's open.
Oh. Well, that makes sense.
Oh, look at this one.
Wow.
No, so we just go round to the left.
We did the same thing yesterday.
Oh, look at it.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
I wonder what it's like further down the where it flooded last time.
Oh gosh, look at that.
The road down there, last time we had really bad rain, it was totally flooded really badly. Yeah. They had to shut the road, and actually like one of the cars were practically floating, weren't they?
Yeah.
It was bad.
There we are, down there, isn't it?
Are you down there?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, it's that one.
I've lost now.
That one?
Yeah, because they're down at the end. Big orange sign says Sunday holiday flats.
I've never been to the holiday flats.
No, I haven't either. I'm not sure you're going to reverse down there.
No, just get in here and then.
Is here okay? Or
Yeah, that's fine. No, that's fine.
No, you'll be alright. We went down, so.
And thank you very much. The people getting so. You'll have to get out this side.